Blessings, family. Are you tired of dealing with thinning hair or alopecia? Do you want to change your style and regain confidence? Well, look no further. Yes, ladies, in this video, I'm going to be exploring the game-changing world of lace frontals. Yes, ladies, you do not have to worry about alopecia, hair loss, thinning hair anymore, because what lace frontals can transform your look, whether you are new to losing your hair or you have been struggling with hair loss for some time. No more worries, ladies, because I have got you. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you various styles that you can wear. Yes, no more worrying about your alopecia. In this video I'm going to show you videos and hairstyles of tips and tricks for achievable hairstyles to help you achieve the hair of your dreams, that you too can rock lace frontals with confidence. Look at this beautiful style. This is absolutely gorgeous. No one will ever know that she had any hair loss. Did you see the hair loss that she had at the beginning of this video? Oh my gosh, ladies, and here is another one for you. Yes, lace frontals are changing hairstyles for individuals with alopecia, providing confidence and versatility. Yes, alopecia just doesn't affect your hair, but it can also affect your self-esteem. For many, finding the right hairstyle can be a daily struggle. Yes, ladies, a daily struggle, trying to find the balance of comfort, style, and confidence. But look at this style. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful and natural this ponytail looks. Look at the front, look at the back, ladies. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss. And these styles can be worn in so many versatile ways. Yes, these styles are absolutely versatile. You can wear ponytails, you can wear buns, you can wear them down. I mean, these lace frontals have changed it just has changed the whole game for those with alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, and even damaged hair. Yes, it's not just about the look, it's also about feeling like yourself, feeling like you. When you're dealing with alopecia, every hairstyle decision can feel like a reflection of your self-worth. Simple things like choosing what to wear or what style you want your hair in can become daunting tasks. Just like you can just feel like just nothing works. The pressure to fit in and feel normal can be overwhelming, and sometimes it feels like you're just trying to find a way to hide rather than express yourself. And look at my client here. As you can see, she does too have some severe hair loss, and no worries, ladies, because we are going to fix that. Yes, this stylist is going to make sure that no one will ever know that she has any hair loss. And the good news is that there is a solution that is changing. Yes, these lace frontals offer a natural look that feels just so normal and natural, like your real scalp. They're not just a temporary fix, but a long-term solution for those looking to regain their confidence. With lace frontals, you can style your hair in countless ways. Yes, in ponytails and buns, without worrying about your scalp. So continue to keep watching this video, and I will continue to bring you style after style that will help you realize that you do not have to worry about your hair loss and your alopecia anymore, because there are so many beautiful styles that you can wear. Yes, even with your lace fronts. Yes, ladies. So again, continue to keep watching and watch these beautiful styles. Yes, with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, it is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with 100% peppermint oil, argan oil, tea tree oil, just to name a few. If you want your hair to grow, start with our G&G hair growth butter and try our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, our small jars are $10 and our large jars are $20. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our what? 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.